Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy MetaHero on Gate.io. It's super simple, and before we get into that I'm just going to talk about MetaHero. They say it's the gateway to metaverse, okay? And as we all know, the metaverse gaining attraction lately a lot, and it's trending because it has potentials, okay? And what does it mean that MetaHero is the gateway to metaverse? Because they have these huge scanners that scan objects or people, like 3D scanning, and they get to put that scan or the whatever they scanned on the metaverse. For example, if you want to play as yourself on the game, you get scanned in 3D, and as well as for objects. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. Let's go to Gate.io. If you don't have an account, create one. You'll have the link in the description. And then after you've created your account, it's pretty similar to Binance and KuCoin. Go to wallet and deposit. Alright, here select the coin that you want to deposit and select the network. Just make sure to select the same network that you have chosen here on the platform that you're willing to withdraw from, okay? And after you've deposited and your assets have arrived in here, go to trade and spot trading. So if you have deposited anything other than USDT or Ethereum, you need to sell the crypto you've got to get USDT so you can buy MetaHero, because at the moment you can only buy and sell MetaHero using USDT or Ethereum. So it's pretty simple. Let's take an example. Let's say LTC and choose the name. Let's say you've typed in the name that you have of the crypto that you have deposited and choose USDT, the name of it, and USDT. Click on it. Now we are here. Go to here to sell the cryptocurrency that you've got, okay? So automatically the balance here will show how many or how much of that coin that you have. Click on it and it will automatically fill in here, or you can choose how much of that balance you've got you want to sell to USDT, okay? And click sell. Alright, now that you've got USDT, let's head back to here and type in Hero and choose Hero to USDT. And now we are here. Scroll down. Now you've got USDT, you can see in here. You can click on it and it will automatically fill in here, okay? So you can choose here if you want to just buy the amount that you want, only 50% of $11, or 100%, which means the whole amount that you've got, okay? But if you want to bargain, you can do that by choosing whatever price that you're trying or willing to buy the crypto, which is Hero in here, okay? So the current market price is this one here, which is in here. You can just put it in here and buy if you want to, but you can bargain by choosing here. So these here are the calls and orders of people trying to buy with the lowest price than the market price, okay? And this is the opposite, which is people trying to sell with a higher price than the market price, which to get more profit, okay? So what I'm going to advise you to do, choose one of these if you want to buy, like these on the top, because you don't want to choose something in here and it will stuck in there because the market isn't going towards that price, okay? You'll find it in here. If you've done an order and it hasn't gone through yet, just cancel and do another order, okay? Just choose a reasonable price, it will go through automatically, okay? If you are trying to get in instantly and faster, just choose the current market price and it will go through instantly. So this is it. This is how you're going to buy MetaHero on Gate.io. I hope you like this explanation. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.